You know, I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I just get sick of only hearing about Franklin and Williamson County, or even Nashville. There's other places here in Middle Tennessee that are really nice. And that's why today I'm actually in downtown Columbia, Tennessee. If you hadn't heard of Columbia, Tennessee, it's maybe about 30 minutes south of Franklin, and it's a really cool little town, especially the downtown area. So in today's video, I'm gonna start out and just show you guys this park that I'm standing in, which is the Riverwalk Park. It is really cool. There are basketball courts, there's the Duck River that runs along it, these cool walkways or trails you might call them that you can walk around the park. It's beautiful. Then from there, I'm gonna take you guys around the square. We're gonna check that out. There's so many cool little stores and restaurants, and there's a brewery. And then from there, we're gonna head over to the Arts District and check that out. There's so much to offer in Columbia, and I'm excited to show you guys. So come on, let's go. All right, so right when you cross over this bridge from Riverwalk Park on West 5th Avenue, you are gonna run into Asgard Brewing Company. We're not quite in the square yet, but I really encourage you guys to stop by and check this place out. If you're a beer drinker, it is really phenomenal. They've got some great beers. It's a cool vibe, a nice little bar. I think you guys should check it out. And then right across the street right there is a little restaurant called Buck and Board, and that's a really neat concept. They've got charcuterie boards and different alcoholic drinks that you can get, and it's a really cool vibe, like a nice place to kind of stop and grab a little bite to eat and a drink and have some great conversation with some friends. And right next to Asgard is this like ramp walkway that it's like a little bit bizarre, but if you need to get your steps in, or if you're somebody that's in a wheelchair, it is really awesome because it allows them to get access to the brewery. So come on, let's walk up. All right, so now we are in the square in downtown Columbia, and what I'm gonna do is, there's just so much to show you guys. I'm gonna just kind of walk around and point out the shops. One quick thing, there is like a Columbia Welcome Center right over here, and you can go in there and get more information about Columbia. I think that's a good idea to stop there, but besides that, let's just check out the stores and what they have here. So the first thing right here is called Lily Jane, and that looks like kind of like a boutique for kids and moms and babies and stuff. Looks like some beautiful stuff. We've got a law office right here. The courthouse is right in the middle of the square here, so you're gonna see a lot of law offices here. We've got accents and antiques, lots of like home decor and cool antiques. Here we've got the Square Market and Cafe. Really nice, they've got outdoor seating. There's a place inside where you can sit and eat as well, so that's really beautiful. Like I said, there's another law office. The courthouse is right here in the square, so you're gonna see a lot of law offices. I love this. This is called the Flag World, and I just think these things are so cool. You can stick them in your yard. Really neat. Taps Off Main, that's gonna be if you wanna sit at a bar and get some beer. Let's go this way. I wanna show you guys down here. Really cool bar. I mean, I love a good beer. Just as you get older, it just starts to, like I said, there's just so much stuff here. It's hard to see everything. Southern Tray Steakhouse right here behind me. And that's a really good restaurant. If you like a good steak and a nice glass of wine, I would check that place out. So, all right, let's keep on rolling here. Wow, let me show you guys this courthouse while we're here. Look at the courthouse here behind me with the Christmas tree right there. They've actually got their Christmas parade is gonna be this Saturday, but it's like a real centerpiece, focal point of downtown Columbia is the courthouse right there, so. Home boutique store called Smith & York Company. Oh, here we go. We're coming up to one of my favorite places. First, we've got a woman's boutique. That's not it. Balloon shops and gifts and homemade ice cream. Oh, and they actually have deli sandwiches and chips. All right, I could handle that. I kind of want to go in, but we won't. Pie sensations right here. We've got Anil's Barber Shop on the square. I love when they have these little barber, whatever you call these things, lights, swirly swirls. This right here is a record shop. So if you're into that, I mean, it looks awesome in there, really cool. So much character. That looks like a kitchen type store with like kitchenware, financial store. And this is gonna be Muletown Coffee Roasters. I would love to go in there and grab a coffee right now. That place is awesome. Muletown coffee is so good, but we don't have time. There's more stuff down there. We just don't have time, guys, but I'm telling you, there is so much stuff right here on the square. If you come down here to visit the square in Columbia, you have got to stop and eat at Puckett's right here. Hey y'all. Puckett's restaurant, like I said, it is a staple of Middle Tennessee. There's one in downtown Franklin. There used to be one in Leaper's Fork. It's not there anymore. Really good, just country food. Just really good. I mean, you will leave there with a full belly. So that is some kind of, oh, there's a law office, another law office. Okay, and we're gonna wrap it up right here on the corner. We've got Duck River Books, which is new and used books. And then this is real fitting to actually stop here, the Trek Bike Store. You guys know I love to mountain bike, so it's really cool that they've got a Trek dealer right here. So from here, I'm gonna take you guys to the Art District, and then that wraps up our tour of downtown Columbia. All right, welcome to the Columbia Arts District. So I want you guys to come with me. There is so much here to show you guys. It's a real handful, but I want you guys to walk with me this way, because right when you take a right into the Arts District, there's this really cool restaurant here, and I want to show that to you guys, and then we'll head on over to deeper into the Arts District and just kind of look around. Okay, so right after you take a right into the Arts District, keep coming in and you will run into this restaurant right here called Barino. And Barino is a basically Southern Italian style restaurant. They've got some unique food, and it's a really cool atmosphere. As you can see, the outdoor dining area is really cool too. So I really highly recommend you check out Barino. So from here, let's go further into the Arts District and see what it has to offer. All right, so the next place I want to show you guys is called Rowing Company, and this is really cool. It's just a small building here, and they've got like 4 different businesses in here. They've got Bag of Joy Bagel Company, and they're just open 7 a.m. until they sell out. The Country Dumpling, which is like a little gift type store, and it looks like they've got maybe some food. And then Envy Hair, and then Coco's Ice Cream, which is plant-based ice cream. It's a really cool little building here with some neat businesses. And as you can see, right here behind you, they're actually setting up, I believe, oh yeah, this is cool. This is just set up for a spot for you to like come and hang out. They've got a little spot for a fire right here and a place to sit, and just like a cool atmosphere. Another thing I want to point out is behind you here is the old train station. I'm not sure what they have inside there. It's like they've got it all locked up and the windows shut, but it's really a beautiful building and it just makes for like a cool vibe or a cool feeling down in this arts district. So come on, we got a lot more to see. Let's keep going. All right, guys, the next place I want to show you is called Bradley Mountain. It's a mercantile and coffee company. This place is so unique. Some of the examples of the stuff they have here is they've got a full coffee bar here. They've got craft beer, wax canvas, jackets and bags, adventure gear, candles and apothecary, tinned fish and bar bites, durable leather goods. I just have to tell you, we went in and looked around and it is the coolest little place. So you really need to check it out. You can tell where it is. You'll notice the ramp here on the side, but then right here on the front of the building, it says Bradley Mountain, made in the USA. Like super cool. Like when you go in there, there's even like a window and you can see like where they're making the stuff in there. I mean, it looks like really high quality stuff. So let's keep walking down here. This place right here on the corner is called Mamma Mila's, and this is actually an Italian restaurant. I don't think they're open right now, but a really cool like green building. I love that it's got this like wood door right here. Let me show you the outdoor seating area right here. Another clue that you're in the arts district, you'll see these like on the corner of the street where they'll say like a flag on a pole that says Columbia Arts District. So yeah, they've got a little sitting area right here too, where you can come out and eat and hang out. So just lots of like, and we're not even showing you guys everything. We're seeing lots of like cool little areas to hang out and sit and just, I don't know, relax with a cup of coffee. Really neat. You really got to get down and check out the Arts District. I want to show you guys the Columbia Arts building, and that's going to be the last thing, and then I'll let you go. Come on. All right, so now I'm at the Columbia Arts building, and this is a really unique building. It's older, and it's got 3 levels, and you've got to go in each level from a different side of the building. So this right here is level 3, and level 3 has Buffalo Company, Salon and Barber. There's Persona, which is a coffee shop, and they also sell art. They've got like a little gift store there. And then also Thomas Creative Agency, which it looks like it's for like branding and marketing. And as you come out of level 3, you've got all these picnic tables right here. And then there's also these seats with these little fire pits here, like super cool. And like the menu for at the coffee shop, guys, they have some really cool food and drinks, like way nicer than I was imagining. Like really nice place. I talked to the owner of Buffalo Company, the Salon and Barber. He was super cool, really nice shop. I encourage you to go by and get your hair cut there or book an appointment. So this is level 3. Let's head to level 2. All right, so I'm standing outside of level 2, and right now at level 2, the only thing they've got on level 2 is called the Loco Lemon, and it's basically gourmet lemonade cafe. It looks absolutely amazing. I wish we had time to stop by and check it out, but we don't. There are actually maybe 2 or 3 other spaces in there that look like they're getting built out. So I think there's some more cool businesses to come. So let's head to the first floor right now. Come on. All right, so I'm standing outside of level 1 at the Columbia Arts Building. This is a super cool level. There's a bunch of like vintage clothing and like little knickknacks. There's a hobby and game store. And then there's this super cool store called Butler Stationery. I was talking to the owner, John, about all the different stuff he has. He's got some super cool calligraphy pens and all these different inks. He's got one ink that actually starts out yellow, and then as it dries, it turns black, and it's a permanent ink. Just super cool. Some really nice pens. This is just another example of some of the stuff we're seeing here in the Arts District in Columbia. It's really interesting. I can't tell you guys how awesome it's been today. I've learned a lot about Columbia and the downtown area and the Arts District. I can't recommend enough to you guys that you've got to get out here and check it out. It is so cool. So guys, once again, my name's Matt Bogosian. I'm a real estate agent with 𝐼𝐶 & Company Realty. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.